I can't wait to show Miss Miralee my beautiful picture of God's great big heart of love. Miss Miralee! What you got, Squirmy? You like the masterpiece that I just drew all by myself? Hey, that's my paper. Your paper? Are you crazy? I drew this heart, not you. But that's my secret word on the other side. These jumbled up old letters, it doesn't even spell anything. I thought you messed up and were just going to throw it away, so I used the other side to draw on. They aren't messed up. They are written backwards so that the only way to read the word is to hold it up to the mirror. I need it back. Well, how was I supposed to know? Besides, my heart is much prettier than your silly word. No, it's not. I want it back right now. Give it back. It's mine. No, it's mine.
Hey, Wormy and Squirmy, what's going on with you two? Didn't you call me Squirmy?
Blah. Well, I did call your name because I wanted to show you my beautiful picture of God's heart. But now it's too late because of Wormy. Well, she took my secret word paper without even asking, and I wanted it back. But now it's ruined. I will never talk to my sister again.
Whoa, guys, wait a minute. Might Jesus be asking you to take a deep breath, slow down, and think about how each other feels? Wormy, was your sister super excited about showing her picture to me?
Yeah, probably.
Squirmy, don't you think Wormy thought his secret word was pretty special too?
Yeah, but now it's just 2 pieces of torn up paper that are just trash.
I wouldn't say that. Let's try a little tape first before you decide it's not worth anything, okay? And then at least I can see what you both hope to share with me. There now. Tell me about your side, Squirmy.
So I was thinking about God's love and how big and huge it is for every person, no matter what they look like or what they do. So I wanted to try to draw it.
I love it, Squirmy. That's an awesome truth to remember. So tell me about your side, Wormy.
You have to hold up my secret word to a mirror to read it.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Reconciliation.
Reconciliation? What does that word mean, Wormy? It means putting 2 broken relationships back together. Isn't that a great word? Reconciliation. Kind of like when 2 people argue and fight and get mad at each other and tear up a paper, and then they try to work on getting back together again. Yeah, putting that broken relationship right back together. Like the way Miss Miralee taped back our paper.
Did you both know that reconciliation is what God's big loving heart is all about? When God saw how sin had separated me and you from his love, he couldn't stand it. So he sent his son to be the light of the world, to be the Savior who could put our relationship right back together. Can you turn off the light, Wormy? So when we were dark in our sin, Jesus, our light, came and shined his light right through us and gave us God's gift of reconciliation.
Wow, that's so cool. Now my picture is even more beautiful, Miss Marilee. I think I like it even better now.
And if you keep letting the light of Jesus shine on every relationship of your life, there will always be room for reconciliation to happen.
I bet God has a humongous roll of tape, Miss Marilee.
Well, his love definitely sticks to us.